Hello everyone, I am Shashwat. Welcome to My Data. Today we are going to discuss about the importance of communication, that how communication can improve a person's life, that how a businessman can continue, like how he can deal with the other members, and how a person can talk or speak in a public place. So about communication, we will see that we are living in a 2000 era. Okay, and now people are talking, or they are sharing their thought, they are sharing their feelings. So this is all about the communication. So today we have an excellent trainer with us, and he has worked so many companies, and he has a very good experience with it. And he is focusing that empowering the students and also professionals. Now let's talk with Vijay Venkat. Hello Vijay, welcome to Mind.
Thank you so much.
Tell me about yourself, that how is your journey till now in communication, that how it is related in your life, all about it. Please.
Thank you, Shashwat. I have completed my MBA about 16 years back. So at that point of time, I felt, there was a need for students to improve on communication skills. 16 years back, maybe communication was not such a big subject, but now it has become that. But when I started off, when I see the need in the students to improve communication skills to be successful in life, at that point of time I decided we should do something about communication skills. But at that point of time I did not have the platform, to train students. So then, after I worked in few companies, I gained more experience in training people. Then, thanks to Mind Data, I'm exploring more of myself and communication skills.
So in the beginning, do you feel any kind of obstacles like people are facing right now when they are learning something new? They are beginning, like they are improving their communication skill. So what are the problems they are facing? Do you feel like that something?
No, at the beginning, when I started off training people, I felt that people did not give importance to communication. They thought communication is another skill they can just learn. But they did not understand the importance of it. But now they understand the importance of communication. And people also, there are two reasons why people did not understand the importance of communication. One is because of their fear, that we cannot learn English.
Yeah.
Right, that's one part.
Nervousness.
And second part is they did not feel the importance of communication in corporate life or in business, or in interviews. They did not understand the importance of communication. But for last couple of years, people have started realizing this importance. So now it is going good.
So sometimes people face that this is actually they are not speaking very well. Like in public place, they are afraid to speak. So how they can overcome on that problem? Like how they can speak very well in public places with some other people? Like how can they overcome that shyness?
See, with my experience, I can definitely tell. Communication is not a complicated subject. Communication is not a complicated skill. In fact, it is an easy skill. But people make it complicated. People think about vocabulary, people think about fluency, people think about how to make sentences, how to learn grammar. So communication is not so complicated, but it is the people who are making it complicated. Why it is not complicated? Because for me, communication is only about if I am able to express myself to the other person, and if the other person understands what I am trying to tell him. That is communication. That's as simple as that.
So sometimes people think that communication development means they need to focus only in English language. That if we improve their English language, then we have become a good communicator. Then how far is it true?
No, communication is not related to only English. Communication is related to all the languages we know. Even people who cannot speak, unfortunately, who cannot speak, even they communicate. They communicate through sign language. So communication is not related to English, and that's what I've said. It is a simple thing made complicated. Communication is about everything. If you are writing a simple email, that's also communication. Like saying thank you to someone, even that is a communication. Like you're thanking someone for what they did. So communication is actually a very simple thing.
So what are the other simple activities we can do to improve our communication?
All the skills you need to improve in life needs a consistent effort. needs guidance. You need guidance like how to improve a particular skill. So English communication is no different. You need consistent effort. You need a guidance like how to improve your communication, and also you need a direction. Which direction you're taking, what you need to communicate, where you need to communicate. So these are the four small tips you need to take, and also you should also know like how many how good you're communicating at different places, maybe in an interview, maybe in a restaurant, at different places. So some of the tips we can tell is read regularly and mark down words which you don't know, check in the dictionary. These things can happen, but at the end of the day, you should know how to pronounce a word, how to remember a word, the spelling of the word, and all those things. So,
what is necessary for a communicator?
What is necessary for a communicator is first is the belief in himself. He should believe that he can learn good communication. Second is he should have a good guidance and good mentor. I think in that direction, Mindata is doing a wonderful job, because whatever time I spent with Mindata, I've seen it. Mindata is beyond communication. They don't limit themselves to communication. They are going beyond communication. In the sense, they are having one-on-one sessions with people. They have customized content with people. They have customized course for different people, because everyone doesn't have the same problem, so Mindata is going just beyond communication. They just go beyond and ask people like where they feel difficulty, because classroom sessions are there, and after that the grooming sessions, and also individual discrepancies wherever they have little problems. So I think in that direction, Mindata is doing a wonderful job.
That's also right. That we are trying to give the best effort, best empowerment to the people, and how they can improve themselves, how they can improve their life, and their career they can improve. So we are trying our best to reach out to the people. Okay, so next one, that if I will communicate in English, if I will think that, then there is so many obstacles, like there is nervousness, there are low confidence. So how can I overcome from that things? How can I reduce my nervousness? How can I speak fluently in public places? That how it will be helpful?
See, practice makes a man perfect. The more
that's right. I agree.
The more you practice, the more confident you become. The more confident you become, the more you speak to people. So it is all a cycle. The more you practice, the more confident you become. So in that direction also, Mindata is understanding this part. The regular practice and how people should understand, should practice. Mindata is again launched in an app where students can.
Of course, we have a mobile app.
Yeah, so we have launched an app where people can go there, practice, and keep in touch with other students. This is what very, very important thing. That's what I said. Mindata is going just beyond communication, because they understand the practice is required, but no one has addressed this issue till now. I think Mindata has done a wonderful job by launching this app where people can communicate, keep in touch, communicate more, and that makes them more confident when they speak to more people, speak every day, keep in touch. That makes them more confident and get rid of the shyness part.
Yeah, because I saw that so many people are facing that they thought that if you are wrong, people will laugh on us. So that's the only reason that people are not talking with other people.
Correct.
So what is the thing that how perfection should be there? In English we can put our sentences correctly. Then how high languages we can prepare and tell them.
So we should not go towards perfection. That's one tip I give to the students or who are coming up to learn communication. Don't go towards perfection. Because there is nothing called perfection in some places, so you cannot be perfect in all the places. So the thing is, I always maintain that communication is as simple as you making a point and the other person understanding it. So there's nothing called perfection in sense. If you're able to communicate, if you're able to put across a point and the other person understands, that's perfection.
So how do you think that Mindata is a unique platform for people to understand the technical concepts in the relate?
Yeah, I've said it. Mandata is going just beyond communication. There are many institutes who do communication skills, but Mandata is just going that crossing that bridge and making it beyond communication skills. And Mandata doesn't believe in training people, training institute, tag and all those things, because this is a personality communication empowerment platform which we are creating, where we will be associated with the students right from the day they join in with us till the time they have grown up in career. That's not 1 month 2 month time frame. So till the time they are on their own, we are associated with the students. So that's wonderful. Mandata is going beyond communication skills.
Yeah, that's also right. And thanks, Vijay, to be with us. And I want to tell my viewers that it's a very good conversation with Vijay, that people will know that how communication can help the people to build their career, build their personality, even build their business empowerment. So this is all about. We people can visit our website www.mydata.com. Even you can contact in this video number. If you have any queries, anything you want to know about MyData, you can contact with this number. Even we are trying to reach people for like in villages also. Those who have smart mobiles. That's why we have prepared a mobile app for MyData. People can download it from the Play Store. So let's thank you. Thanks, Vijay. Again.
Thank you.
All of you to be with us. If you like this video, please subscribe in YouTube channel also here. So subscribe, like, and comment. Share. Thank you. Very much. Take care. Bye.